This video explains how to buy shares of Banco Latinoamericano de Comercio Exterior S.A., ticker BLX. The bank operates in Latin American trade finance and is listed on NASDAQ. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BLX to find the listing. Select the result that matches Banco Latinoamericano de Comercio Exterior S.A. on NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the company name and the NASDAQ listing to confirm you have the right share. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. Once the trade is filled, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft call to action. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform.